Okay. So any confusion till there? No, right? Kumar, Imajan, Ramya. Okay. So we'll continue with the same SQL operators. So we discussed comparisonal operator early, okay, arithmetic operators and logical operators yesterday. So today we'll discuss about some special operators. Okay, we'll see what are those and what is the advantage of them. We'll see now. Okay, so my simple requirement here. Can you see my screen? Yes, now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. My simple requirement. I just want to see all the people. Okay, let me write the requirement also. Okay, so my question is here: extract all the employees who are earning salary 3,000 to 5,000. Understood the question, right? So what I can write as per yesterday class? Let me go and connect to this session. I'm opening a new page with Varahi connection. Let's open it. The password is same Varahi. Okay. So who will tell answer for this? So definitely I want all the employees details. So I'm writing select star from EMP. So it is done. It will show me all the employees details we know. But what I need now, I need only the people who are earning the salary 3,000 to 5,000. Okay. So what I can write? I have to write definitely this, right? Where class. In the where class, I have to write a condition based on which column? Salary. Okay. Salary should be more than what? 3,000. Okay. Also, salary should be less than 5,000. If you want, you can also write equal to. Okay. Less than 5,000 or equal to 5,000. Same way you can also write here more than 3,000 are equal to 3,000. Right now. So I written two conditions. Means you should write definitely in between one operator, that is depends on your requirement, and otherwise are. Now I'm using and. Okay, so what is this meaning now? Where salary is more than 3,000 and salary also should be less than 5,000. Okay, so for example, here the first person is clerk, Smith. Okay, his salary is 800. So it will compare whether the salary is more than 3,000 and less than 5,000 or not. Okay, so for every record, it is going to check two conditions because I written two conditions, right? So for every record, it is going to check two conditions, whether that person's salary is more than 3,000 and less than 5,000 or not. So two conditions I will be checking every time. Clear, right? So I written two conditions, very clear. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking that line to the down. Okay, just to make clear. Okay, I'm executing now. See, I got these three people, and these three people's salaries are 3,000 and 5,000, and no one is there, I think, between them. That is fine, but I'm getting perfect result. Clear not in this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but how many conditions I'm writing for this? Just to search in between 3,000 to 5,000, I'm writing two conditions. But instead of writing two conditions here, we have a special operator for us. Okay, whenever you want to search, okay, whenever you want to search based on a range of values, okay, based on range of values, then you can use between and operator. Okay, so I'm just using this, I'm just using the same query, no difference, nothing I'm using, changing here. Okay, I'm just writing here between, oh sorry, okay, what I'm comparing? Salary, right? So in short, I'm just removing this operator greater than or equal to. Okay, I remove that operator and writing now between 3,000, okay, and 5,000. I'm removing this operator and also the column because column name is already mentioned over there. Now this entire thing is only one condition. So meaningfully also there. What is that? Salary between 3,000 and 5,000. That's it. Okay. Instead of writing can you hear me now? Yeah, power got disconnected. Let me know if you are unable to hear me. Let me share the screen again. Okay, so we were discussing instead of writing two conditions when you want to set based on range of values, so then you can directly go for this operator between and. Any confusion? So I'm just executing this. You can see same data is coming, no difference. Okay, just alternative for the first query. Any confusion till there? Any confusion? No? Kumar Himaja, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So that is about between and. So yesterday also we discussed one more operator, right? NOT. In logical operators class we discussed and, or, and then not. Okay. So you can use this not also now. Okay. What I'm doing, simply I'm taking the same query and I'm trying to write where salary between 3,000 and 5,000 is here. If I use not between, okay, I'm just using this extra operator there. What is that? NOT not. Okay, so not between 3,000 and 5,000. So means now it will give you the data which is not in the range of 3,000 to 5,000. Means other than 3,000 to 5,000 range. Means lesser than 3,000 and more than 5,000. Except that range people will come. So just opposite data I'm going to get. When you compare to the previous this query. That's it. No confusion, right? So yesterday we discussed not means when you use this not operator, simply it is going to give opposite result based on your given condition. That's it. No one will ask you these questions in interview, but definitely we will be using all these small things only every day in real time. Okay, that's fine. So now my next requirement is, okay, I want to see. Okay, so now what I'm just writing here, write a query. Okay, WAQ, write a query to get all employees. Okay, all employees who are working as clerk and manager. Hope you understand my query, right? Requirement. Okay, so what I want to get? I want to get all the employees. Okay, I want to get all the employees. So what I'm writing, select star, and this is from employee table. Fine, I'm executing, I'm getting the complete data, but I want only the people, whoever is working as clerk, manager, right? So I'm writing where, based on which column, this is related to job. So job is equal to, what is the next one? Manager. Okay, and also what I need, clerk also. First I'm executing till there, so I'm getting all the managers details. Good. Now also I want what? Job is equal to clerk. Let me execute. See, okay, if I use and operator here, what will happen? So then it will check whether that person job is manager and the clerk, both jobs is having or not. Okay, I'm not checking for whether he is having both jobs or not. I'm checking whether that person job is manager or clerk, either one of these. So I'm using R operator. Understood, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
to get this data, okay, I'm writing two conditions again here, right? What I'm doing basically here, I'm just simply searching for managers and clerks. Nothing but more than one value I'm searching. Both the conditions based on same column, job only, but I'm writing two conditions. Okay, so instead of writing two conditions here, what you can do, we have a special operator when you want to search with one value or more than one value, that is in. Okay, in. Simply, exactly, it is equal to operator. Okay, by using equal to operator, we can search with only one value at a time. But using this in operator, you can search with one value or more than one value also at a time. Is it clear? I'm just executing. See, same query, same thing. I just changed the operator. That's it. So instead of writing two conditions for searching more than one value, I'm just simply using in operator. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. So same way, like we discussed, right? If you want, we can use not operator also along with in. Okay. So simple. If I write not not here, simply is going to give opposite result based on our condition. Means where job is not equal to manager or clerk. So other than managers and clerks, I'm going to get the data. Okay. So depends on your requirement. You can use this not operator along with any of these operators. Fine, right? Clear? Any confusion? Okay. So now, so little important thing, you will get a situations to use this. Okay. This is about like, okay. It is used for wildcard searching. So you know what is meant by wildcard searching? Okay, wildcard searching means, for example, I want to search for an employee name, okay, whose name is Kumar. Okay, but I don't know the complete spelling or complete name. Understanding, right? I don't know complete spelling or correct spelling, or I don't know the complete name. Okay, so then you can do this wildcard searching. That will be called as wildcard searching. Means I will be searching with partial words. Instead of searching with complete word, I will be searching with partial words. For example, I have completely some 5-6 words in my sentence or in that data. I can't remember that completely. So then if you know the exact thing, you can write equal to operator or in operator to search. Okay. If you don't know the exact word to search, then you have to go for this like operator. Okay. Like means like which is similar. For example, let's see. I want to search for all the employees. Okay. I want to search for all the employees whose name started with A. Okay. I don't know whoever is there, but I just want to see all the employees whose name is started with A. So you know very well, right? So let's start from EMP. Till then, you know, I can get all employees details. Good. But I want to see the people only whoever is, sorry, whose name is started with A. Okay. So I'm writing employee name is the name, column name. And if you know the exact name, no problem at all. You can write that name itself. But I don't know exact name. That is my problem. Okay. So then what I'm doing, I'm writing A. First letter is A, started with A, right? So A. So then after A, how many characters are there? You know, we don't know definitely. There may be 5 characters, 6 characters, 10 characters. Okay. Any number of characters may be after A. But my requirement is I just want to see all the people whose name started with A. After A, there may be any number of letters. Okay. Alan, Anand, Akash. Okay. So any number of letters after that, I don't know. So if you don't know how many letters are after that, so then we have to use this operator. What is that? Percentile. Okay. So what is mean by percentile now? Why I'm using this percentile? Percentile is exactly equal to what it denotes. 0 or many characters. Okay. So when you don't know how many characters are there, okay, there may be 0 characters. After A also maybe no characters. That is only a single letter, but still it will come. Okay, but when you don't know exactly how many characters are there, then you have to use this percentile operator. Is clear? Okay, so I used now percentile, right? But you should not use equal to, because I don't know the exact word. If you know the exact word, then only you have to use equal to operator, otherwise in operator. But now I'm using what? Like a similar one. Okay, employee name similarly to the A percentile. That's it. Simple. No? So I'm executing. See, there are 2 people, you can see. Okay, 2 people and started with A, and after A, some characters are there. Is clear? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I'm writing one more requirement. I want to see all the people, okay, whose name started with A, but that should be ended with S. Okay, first letter should be A, last letter S. Okay, so I'm writing this. First letter A, last letter S. Good. But in between, I don't know how many characters are there. There may be 0 characters, 1 character, 2 character, 10 characters, 100 characters. I don't know exactly. So when you don't know exactly, then you can use this operator percentile. Okay. Sorry, there is no semicolon now. So if you don't use semicolon for each statement, it will happen like this. It's tried to execute complete this because there is no semicolon ending for this. Okay, let me put semicolon for this also. See, now only one person is there, that's fine. But see, this person name started with A and ended with yes. Clear, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now, for example, I want to see all the employees details whose name started with A. Okay, so this is good. Ended with yes. So I'll write S. Good. But also there should be a character M in between A and S. Understanding what I'm trying to say? Started with A, ended with S. Okay, between A and S, there should be a letter M also. Like this. Okay, so but M to S, I don't know how many characters are there, but there may be a character, may not, but there should be a M between A and S. Any confusion about this? Just read it and let me know if you have any confusion. So what I'm trying to get now, I'm trying to get all the employees whose name started with A, ended with S, and that should have in between character M. Any confusion? All of you, any confusion? No, right?
No, sir.
Only one person is there. Good. Started with A, ended with S, and there is a M also in between. It is there now in Adams. But if you
Yes.
see between A and M, there are 2 characters. Between A and M, 2 characters are there. But between M and S, no characters. But I written percentile here between M and S. Okay, you understood now, right? Percentile means when you exactly don't know how many characters are there, then I'm using percentile. So that denotes 0 characters or many characters. Clear, right? About this percentile and how to search. This is called wildcard searching. Means I'm not searching with the exact word. Even using like operator, still you can search with the exact word, no problem. So I'm searching it. Adams. You can search. It is working exactly like your equal to operator and exactly like your in operator. Okay, but what is the specialty of this like operator? This is exclusively for searching when you don't know the exact word to search. Clear, right? Any confusion? No, right?
No, sir.
Now, next requirement is I want to see or I want to extract all the employees details whose name second letter is M. I'm telling now exactly. Okay, exactly telling whose name second letter is M. Second letter is M. Means how many letters are there before M?
1 letter.
Only 1 letter. Means you know exactly. I told you have to use percentile operator only when you don't know exact number of characters. But I know exactly now only one character is there before M. After M, I don't know how many are there. So I will use percentile. Good. But before M, I don't know. So then what you need to do when you know exact characters. So then I have a special operator here again, this one, underscore. Okay, underscore. What it is equal to? It is equal to single character. Understood, right? That is equal to single character. So now what I'm writing here before M, I need it as a second letter. So I'm putting underscore there. So underscore means it's a single character. Then second character will be M. After M, I don't know how many characters are there. So I'm putting percentile. Is clear? Sorry. Always it is recommended to write semicolon at the end of the statement. Otherwise, you have to select that entire query. It's fine. Now I got one person here. If you see that person's second letter is M only. Okay, after M, 3 letters are there. Before M, only one. Any confusion about it?
No, sir.
Okay, one more requirement. As of now, we are searching with only characters. It's not about characters. Okay, you can search with the dates, you can search with the numbers, you can search with anything. Okay, now let's search with numbers. For example, I want to see all the employees whose employee number started with 7 or something, or whose employee number is having 7. Okay, so means before 7, I don't know how many are there. After 7, I don't know how many are there, but 7 should be there in the number. Understanding? This may be a first character or last character or in between character, I don't know. But I'm just writing 7 should be there in the query. So I think I got most of the thing. You can see all are having 7 at the first only. Let's see one thing now. Let's take this fellow 7902. Try for 7902. Exactly, I want 7902. So means the number should be started with 7 and ended with 2. Same like previous searching only. I'm just writing numbers. That's it. Now you can see 2 people are there. These 2 people numbers started with 7, ended with 2. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Same way you can search for dates also, no problem. Okay, so this is called wildcard searching. Okay, so in real time, definitely we will be using this concept. Okay, so when we will be using this concept, like whenever you don't know exactly anything. For example, I don't know one table. Okay, one table I don't know. So then what you will write? Select all the table names will be listed in one other table. We'll discuss in the next chapter. Okay, so as of now, I'm writing all tab. Sorry. Sorry. Let me write all underscore tables. Okay, it will list you all the tables, whatever is there in the database, whether it is created by user or created by database administrator. This means administrator, you know. So like that, whatever is there in the database, all the tables came. But I don't know exactly my table name, which I created long time ago, Castinfo, for example. I don't know correct spelling, but I know the table name, but I don't know the correct spelling. So what you will do, where table name is equal to, if you know exactly, you can write this table name, but I don't know exactly after I don't know whether it is customer info or cust info or customer information. Exactly, I don't know. So then what I'm writing? Percentile. Cust underscore percentile. So then you should not use equal to operator. So I am using like operator. Let me see if anything is there, it will come. Now you can see it is showing 2 tables, cust info 1. Now you understood, right? Why I'm telling this? Okay, it's completely for wildcard searching. Same way you can use, same way you can use not along with this like operator also. Simple. What you have to write? NOT not. Not like this. Means it's simply going to give opposite result. Not like cust percentile. Means it will give you all the other results other than this cust. Clear, right? Any confusion on this? Like operator? Let me know if you have any questions. No, right? If you don't have any question, so now we'll move to the other one. Last one is null. Okay, already we discussed a little bit in last classes. What is the purpose of this is null operator? This is exclusively for searching with null values. Okay, when you have any null values in your data, then it is impossible to check with using equal to operator or in operator. We should use this operator only. Okay, what is the purpose of this is null operator? To search with null values. Okay, so for example, so we have some data here. Let's go to MP table again. Select star from MP. Let's see all the data. Okay, and there is a column called commission. Last column you can see some people are not earning any commission. So I want to see people whoever is not earning any commission. So I'm writing a query now where the column name is commission is equal to null. Query is right, but what I'm trying to get, I'm trying to find where is NULL. Let's see. I'm not getting anything because we discussed already what is meant by null.
Nothing.
Okay, nothing. So means exactly null means we can't define the value. Okay, we can't define what it is exactly equal to null means. We can't define the value. Okay, and it's not equal to 0 or any specific character. Okay, it's not equal to blank or space. Clear, right? Okay, blindly remember null means nothing and we can't define what is exactly equal to null. Okay, if I ask 1 is equal to 1, you will say yes, because one value, so you will say yes, 1 is equal to 1, you can say. But null is equal to null, yes or no? Null is equal to null.
No, sir.
Okay, don't know. We don't know because this is like a hidden concept. We don't know what is there in the first null. We don't know what is there in the second null because we don't know. We can't define the value of first null. We can't define the value of second null also. So we can't get anything there. So that's why here also I'm not getting anything because I'm searching for NULL. So then what you have to do? You should use this is instead of writing equal to. Okay, so now it will give you all the things wherever null is there in the column commission. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, same way. So if you want to use not operator along with this, yes, you can use. Okay, so then what I have to write? Not is you should not write. You have to write here, not null. Okay, so it will give you opposite result based on your condition. So before query was giving all the null values. Now it is giving which is not having a null value. So see, you can see here 0 is also there. Okay, so 0 is also not equal to null. It's clear? Any confusion now? So that is about null. So these are about some special operators. Still we'll get some more special operators. Okay, so that we'll discuss while discussing other chapters wherever it is required. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions till now.